about B.E.C.E. my friend. I'm going to first one with solve multiple choice questions from 2011 to 2019. It was you do 2018 ICT. But then the very teacher our Good Foundation International School. But ICT Good Foundation our Offset Education Office and so on. By is everybody day not what say you know about it.
I could say PI reading the questions.
Okay, yes, I'm Reno. You have to also send a yellow abbreviation.
2018, question 1. How many characters make up a byte? A1, B2, 3, C, D4.
Until one character makes a byte.
2. Which of the following devices sends commands into the computer? A. Keyboard, B. Pen drive, C. Printer, D. System unit.
The keyboard no any option a boy meet me a send commands a computer.
3. Which of the following storage media normally stores the operating system? A. Flash disk, B. Hard disk, C. Magnetic tape, D. Zip disk.
Operating system mostly no a hard disk so. The answer is B. Hard disk.
4. Using a computer application is known as A. Installing, B. Launching, C. Operating, D. Running.
So who use computer program it means you are running the program. The answer there.
Running. D.
D.
5. The system tray is also called A. Clock, B. Notification area, C. Quick launch, D. Taskbar.
And I question we repeat here. You can say taskbar no so. We be a date any time no one. Say one notification area. You go home a system tray. The answer no. The answer there.
B.
B.
Notification area. 6. The default storage location for files and folders is A. My briefcase, B. My computer, C. My document, D. My network places.
So who create file via our computer also. Now one today be a enquire automatically I call my document.
Okay. So that's C.
C, okay.
Question 7. Which of the following statements are true about files? A. A file can be renamed whilst it is open. I. A file cannot be deleted whilst it is open. I. A file deleted from your computer may be found in the recycle bin or trash bin. A. I and I only. B. I and I only. C. I and I only. D. I and I.
The I and I only.
C.
C.
8. Which of the following devices is used to process information? A. Computer, B. Speedometer, C. Thermometer, D. Weighing scale.
So we use the computer to process information, and that is A.
9. Which of the following items is not a source of computer virus? A. CDR, B. CD-ROM, C. Internet, D. Pen drive.
The CD-ROM and a source of virus.
B. 10. How many arrow keys are found on the computer keyboard? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5.
The arrow keys now computer is on A4. But I go up, down, left, and right.
So C. 4.
Okay.
11. In a spreadsheet application, which of the following displays the content of the active cell? A. Formula bar, B. Menu bar, C. Name box, D. Standard toolbar.
The other spreadsheet name box no, and share the name of the active cell.
Name box C. 12. The following are components in the system unit except A. CPU, B. RAM, C. ROM, D. video.
The RAM, ROM, CPU. These are our system unit. Video is the same as monitor, and only a separate entity. It has a name D.
13. Microsoft Word and Carter case may use beacon teachings typing are examples of A. Application software, B. Operating system, C. Open source package, D. System software.
The application software. The answer is A.
14. The following are input devices except A. Keyboard, B. Monitor, C. Mouse, D. Scanner.
Scanner, keyboard, and mouse. These are examples of input devices. And the answer is monitor.
B.
B.
15. From which of the following storage media would the list items be sent to the recycle bin? A. Flash disks, B. Floppy disks, C. Hard disks, D. Zip disks.
Hard disk now, and so what the TV if it's a core recycle bin. The answer is
C.
C.
16. The name given to the background area of a computer when turned on is A. Desktop, B. Folder, C. Icon, D. Window.
The desktop. A.
17. Which of the following is used as a shortcut means to open files, folders, and programs? A. Desktop, B. Icon, C. Screen, D. Start menu.
The shortcuts no icons no. You just double click on it to open it.
That's B. 18. A folder inside another folder is called A. Attached folder, B. Main folder, C. Parent folder, D. Sub folder.
This is what folder be now another folder one. Near one inside no, your friend is sub folder.
D. 19. Which of the following is the effect of loud ringing tone? A. Headache, B. Hearing impairment, C. Neck pain, D. Wrist pain.
This is phone and all there. Bet me SC waso.
That's B.
B.
Hearing.
Okay.
20. The computer program designed to prevent viruses from damaging the computer and its files is called A. Antivirus, B. Virus, C. Virus infection, D. Virus protector.
The program I prevent virus our computer and so on antivirus.
21. The default orientation of Word documents is A. A4, B. Landscape, C. Letter, D. Portrait.
The question you answer repeat is say paper no e jam straight you say portrait. It's by default no. Who be Microsoft Word paper no straight into you say portrait.
22. In a web browser, where is the website address typed? A. Address bar, B. Home page, C. Menu bar, D. Status bar.
The web browser no. Then we type address no address bar, and that is A.
23. Radio satellite setup has two parts, namely receiver and A. Broadcaster, B. Recorder, C. Transformer, D. Transmitter.
Radio setup be a receiver and a transmitter. The answer is D.
24. A system of interconnected computers, telephones, or other communication devices that can communicate with one another and share applications and data is referred to as A. Extranet, B. Internet, C. Intranet, D. Network.
The answer is B. Internet.
25. The capacity of the 3.5 inches floppy disk is A. 30 KB, B. 1.2 MB, C. 1.4 MB, D. 2.88 MB.
1.44 megabytes. The answer is C.
26. The background image that appears on a computer desktop is known as A. Background theme, B. Background panel, C. Screen saver, D. Wallpaper.
The background is the same as wallpaper. It's a D.
27. Which of the following programs would support the study of mathematics? A. Corel Draw, B. Encarta, C. MS Excel, D. MS Word.
And it's a open program be able to multimedia calculations. Our computer is Microsoft Excel.
Okay, that's C.
C.
28. To create a space between characters, words, and sentences, use the A. Backspace key, B. Enter key, C. Shift key, D. Spacebar key.
It is how person create space between words. You use space bar, the longest key on the keyboard or bottom one.
So that's spacebar.
Yeah. D.
29. Which part of the computer mouse button is used to select an object on screen? A. Left button, B. Right button. C. Scroll ball. D. Scroll button.
It is also selective BBR. We're going to use left mouse button, which is A.
30. Making changes and corrections of grammatical errors to an existing document is referred to as A. Correction, B. Deleting, C. Editing, D. Formatting.
It is all making changes at time and demand or editing. So that is C.
31. Which of the following keyboard keys can be used to delete characters in a word processing program? A. Backspace, B. Shift, C. Space bar, D. Tab.
To also delete BBR, yeah, the backspace no, and it may add a paper idea.
32. Which of the following keyboard keys should be pressed to start a new paragraph in a word processing document? A. Control plus Enter key. B. Down cursor key. C. Enter key. D. Shift plus Enter key.
It is a person or start a new paragraph, BR or Microsoft Word. I do me enter key. The answer is C.
33. Which of the following bars displays the heading of an open window? A. Menu bar. B. Status bar. C. Standard toolbar. D. Title bar.
The title bar and any display the name of any opened window. The answer is A. D.
34. The print preview button is located on which of the following toolbars? A. Drawing. B. Formatting. C. Header and footer. D. Standard.
The print preview you have standard toolbar.
Standard.
That's D.
35. Which of the following is compulsory when composing and sending an email? A. Message body. B. Message header or subject. C. Recipient's email address. D. Sender's name.
The nipa na ode mail no command no. When you have the address, the answer no recipient email address. C.
36. Specialized program that assists a user to locate information on the web and on the internet is called A. Agent. B. Search engine. C. Web. D. Web portal.
The near a boy made me a search for information on internet. A search engine.
B.
B.
37. Which of the following is a complete website address? A. http://www.wiredgh.org. B. http://www.wiredgh.com. C. http://www.wiredgh.org. D. http://www.wiredgh.org.
The protocol no, or might be HHPP, or might be HPPT, or correct one HTTP. Now if you are twice on ABBA, the answer is A. D.
That's it. In a spreadsheet application, which of the following symbols represent multiplication? A. Times. B. Asterisk. C. Plus. D. Minus.
Our Excel application, some person multiply BBR, I do use asterisk, which is B.
39. Which of the following is used for multiplication operation in spreadsheet functions? A. Add. B. Average. C. Multiplication. D. Product.
The answer is A. D. Product.
40. Last question. Which of the following is used to find the minimum number among a set of numbers in spreadsheet functions? A. Max. B. Mean. C. Maximum. D. Minimum.
The correct answer is A. Mean, which is
B.
B. Yo, the better you signed in 2018 so about a year. Young person are more by she said, most of us are young chafan, no more see idea. El book any net so. We did better for you, Bama. When
Akusia PI.
Yamia Duma answer the dish, you know. The Moaba. Assassin, hey, a boy, and they are, Mojana,